Hey guys, Rasheed Philips here, and welcome back to Smoke Sessions. Once again, I've teamed up with the amazing people over at the Home Depot, Masterbuilt, and Kingsford to bring you techniques to help you master your flavor. Today, we're going to be focusing on searing. This will allow us to lock in flavor in the steaks that we're going to be preparing today, using high heat to char the exterior while keeping the internal very moist and juicy. Pro tip, allow your steak to come up to room temperature first. This guarantees you a nice, even cook. I've loaded in Kingsford charcoal made with real garlic, onion, and paprika. I want to make sure I get the grill up to 500 degrees. I love cooking outdoors because it's a full sensory experience. This garlic, this paprika, this onion that's mixed in with this Kingsford charcoal smells absolutely amazing. Let's start by applying a generous coating of our binder, in this case ground mustard, to our steaks. In a small mixing bowl, combine all your ingredients and start to evenly coat your steaks. So I'm stirring for roughly a minute, minute and a half each side. This allows me to get a perfect cooked all the way through. You want to look for an internal temperature of about 145 degrees. Cooking's about layering flavors, and that's exactly what we're going to do with this amazing butter that we're making. Butter makes everything better, right? Allow it to rest for roughly 5 to 10 minutes after you removed it from the heat. Alrighty, let's see how we did. Exterior, amazing. Interior, nice and juicy. When you've got charcoal made with garlic, onion, and paprika, it's impossible not to get robust flavors like Kingsford delivered today. I absolutely love the end result of this. It's amazing. It is packed with flavor along with our basing we did. Can't go wrong. Make sure to head on over to Home Depot, grab yourself a Gravity Series 1050 and a bag of Kingsford charcoal. I'll see you next time.